Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group. And I have your market update for you here today. But first, I'm going to do a little, usually I'm at my desk, and I tell you the numbers and whatever. So today I'm in downtown Ennis, and you're probably thinking, you didn't know that Ennis had a downtown if you don't spend a lot of time in this area. There's some really cool stuff happening down south here in Ennis. There's lots of construction and new businesses, and it's really kind of it's very exciting what's happening out here. So we're at a rooftop restaurant in downtown Ennis, and it's just a pretty cool place. So if you haven't been down this way, there's a lot of cute shops and different, it's kind of a destination almost that you could come spend like a Saturday afternoon or just kind of come hang out. So I encourage you to do that if you've not experienced it. So again, with the market update, I feel like I've had good news for you for many months in a row, and that is still the case. We still have good news. So we are still seeing increased average sales prices. Can you believe in Tarrant County, the average sales price in August of this year was $302,000. Interestingly enough, when I started selling real estate over 7 years ago, the average sales price in Arlington, I don't know about the county, but in Arlington it was like $170,000. So we have seen an extreme increase over the last many years. Now the increase is obviously getting smaller, but the important thing is it's still increasing. Okay, so that's good news. We actually have fewer homes for sale right now than we did a year ago. So that is going to point to a lower inventory. I hope you can hear me because downtown Ennis is a little bit busier than I expected it to be. So we're seeing a little bit of an increase again in days on market, but not by a lot. We went from 30 days in Tarrant County to 34. In Collin County, we're up to about 54 days as average days on market, but still, relatively speaking, that is still not a lot of days on the market. I mean, a normal market, you're probably going to see more of an average around 90 to 120. So we're still fewer days on market than an average market would be. Closed sales was pretty steady for last year to this year. So all that being said, take a look at this report. If you have questions about your particular property, your particular area, if there are things that you want more details on, it's a little bit windy. I'm so sorry. Let me know if I can help you and be of assistance. But really, I just want to make sure you know all positive things. Oh, and by the way, interest rates are like at 3.5% or something crazy. We did not think we were going to see interest rates get that low again. So if you have at all been thinking about selling and buying a new property or even just making a new purchase, now is a really good time to do it. Okay, so let us know if we can help you and have a fantastic day.